Welcome to Industry Engaged Learning On-Demand Database Tutorial 2.1, Part 1, Searching for a Task. Under Search, click on the drop-down menu to select Tasks. From the drop-down list, select Tasks. Enter the subject or the title of the task in the subject field. Click on Go to conduct the search. The page now changes to something called Action List, displaying all the results. Select the required task record from the list. The page now changes to something called Task Detail, displaying the task record. This video refers to the section Searching for a Task of the On-Demand Database User Guide. For further assistance, please call the IEL Help Desk 92145766. Part 2. Creating a Task. To create a task, click on Task under Create. A task can also be created from an organization page. To create a task from an organization page, click on New Task on the Open Actions tab. A task can be created from a contact page as well. To create a task from a contact page, click on New Task on the Open Actions tab. The page now changes to Task Edit. Click on the drop-down menu next to Type to select Task Type. Select the task type, for example, Communication. The page now changes to Communication Task Mode. All the red fields are mandatory. Next to the field delegated by, click on the magnifying glass to select Task Delegator. From the list of users, select the Task Delegator. Next to the Person to Action field, click on the magnifying glass to select a person who is to complete this task. From the list of the users, select the person who is to complete this task. Enter the subject or the title of the task in the subject field. While entering the subject of the task, it is important to include the faculty code before the subject or the title of the task. For example, FBE Follow-up Industry Contact Query. In the Priority field, click on the drop-down menu to select Task Priority. Next to the field Due Date, click on the calendar icon to select a date for the task. Then, click on the drop-down menu next to Status to select the status of the task. From the drop-down list, select the status of the task. Then, enter details of the task in the notes space. Finally, click on Save. This video refers to creating a task from the home page of the On-Demand Database User Guide. For further assistance, please call the IEL Help Desk 92145766.